Well, in this video we're gonna see how to configure the joystick with Arduino. First we need to connect the PRX and or the position X to the A0, to the input A0, and the position I in, in this analog input. No. So if we want to, when we push the joystick, we need to send a signal to the interruption number 1. Yeah, the number 0 is here. This is number 1. So this is the VCC is 5 volts, and this is ground. Yeah, this is connected. No. So for this we wanna use this library, aligned joy. We need to install first, and after we install we can use this sketch I have modified or create. Yeah, I just change some things in the original example, you know. So I'm gonna put this sketch on the description. Yeah, and this is only I use this function to, this is the A0 pin, the analog pin, and this is the other analog pin. So I use the interruption, and I'm going to activate the interruption and the freezing. And it's important that we put the pull-up resistance. If we don't put the pull-up, it's not going to work. So I'm going to print the positions here, and when the interruptions occurs, I'm gonna send this message. This is the function of the interruption, and if I push the button, I active this function. So I'm gonna check this, have the monitor series, and I am reading the value, the position X and I move the position, and these values change. Yes, 0, and for the other side, this is changed to the high value, and if I put the X, this changed to 0, the minimum value, and if I change to the other side, this is the maximum value I could have. And if I push a button, yeah, this is the message, push a button. No. Yeah, and with this I can make many things. I move this, and the values I change, and that's all.